What's going on, everybody? So last week we did a video on how to install a hard drive into your desktop. This week we are going to take that video one step further and go into part 2 of it, where we're going to actually talk about partitioning your hard drive so that it's actually usable in the computer. All right, so let's go ahead, jump on over to the computer and get to partitioning. All right, so here we go. Check this out. All right, so we are inside of the computer now. So we're gonna go down here to our folder tab, and what we're going to be doing now is we're gonna go down and we're gonna hit this PC, look for our hard drive, and what you will see is that you do not see that new hard drive anywhere. Where the hell is it at? What? Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, where's this hard drive at? We just installed it. Oh, that's right. We gotta partition it. So how do we do that? So we're just gonna go up to this PC, right click on it, and from there what we're gonna do is go to manage. All right. And when we go to manage, we're gonna get this pop up for computer management, and we're gonna go to the disk management section, and from there we're going to then choose the hard drive that we're trying to partition, and we're gonna click OK, and we're gonna look down and we're gonna be able to see which drives we have connected. So you can see that disk 2 is my 250 gigabyte SSD, and we also have the 1 terabyte My Passport hard drive. So if we scroll up, we will see disk 0 says online, but it has no space allocated. So this is the 2 terabyte hard drive. All we're going to do is right click on it, do new simple volume. It's going to open up this wizard, and we're just going to go through there, click next, and this right here gives us the opportunity to allocate as much space on the hard drive that we want to allocate. So what I'm going to do is just go ahead and click next on doing the max, and then here you can assign a drive letter. The drive letter can be any letter that you want it to be. So it really doesn't matter what you choose, just choose one. Here I'm going to choose the A drive, and then from here all we're just going to do is click next. Alright, so now that we're in next, now on the next screen, we can do our next option, which is to basically set the file system. You got 2 options. You could just go with the default NTFS. Alright, so we're just gonna leave the allocation unit size as default, and then we are going to name this hard drive, and then you can choose the volume label. The volume is just the volume label is just the name for the hard drive. So when you look for it on your computer, that'd be the name that you're going to see it as. Let's see, I'm not really sure what we're gonna name it. I think I'm just going to name it 2020 hard drive. Alright, and now we're just gonna click next and click finish. Now the hard drive is formatting, and this thing pops up anytime I put new memories, and now we have our 2 terabyte hard drive partition. We see that it is online. We have nearly 2 gigabytes, 2,000 gigabytes of free data, and so now we're just going to go in here, and I'm going to go in here and create some folders for my new content, and be done. Alright guys, so that is how you partition a hard drive and make it ready for use in your desktop. Now if you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up. Also, comment down below, let me know what you thought about it. And if you like the videos that I'm putting out on the channel, please click the subscribe button. And now that is it for this video. And with all this extra storage space on my desktop, I am about to go hit the streets and start creating some more content. See you guys in the next video.